little learners. Welcome back. In my part 2 video, we are going to learn conjunction. What is the meaning of conjunction? Joining words. We had learned it in our lower classes. And the learning objective of this lesson is, at the end of this lesson, dear kids, you will be able to define conjunction as joining words. You will be able to use the conjunction and, or, and, but. And what is the meaning of conjunction? Conjunction are joining words that join words or group of words in a sentence. They also joined two sentences together. The word and, but, or are some commonly used conjunctions. Let us see the uses of conjunction and. The conjunction and is used to join word and sentence that have related ideas. A conjunction and is used to join words and sentences that have related ideas. मतलब जो एक जैसे related ideas होते हैं उसके लिए हम and का use करते हैं कोई दो words या कोई दो sentences को join करने के लिए. As for example, Ram blew the candle and cut the cake. We ate cake and chocolates at the party. Understood, bachcho? Here cake and candle, cakes and chocolates. We add and. Ram blew the candle and cut the cake. We ate cakes and chocolates at the party. These are the sentences that joins two related ideas and we use and for it. Now let us see conjunction but. The conjunction but is used to join words and sentences that have opposite ideas. For example, Ram blew the candle but he did not cut the cake. दो अपोजिट आइडियाज के लिए हम but but का यूज करते हैं. She ate 2 cakes but she was still hungry. They both are opposite idea sentences and we use but to join the sentences that have the opposite ideas. Understood, dear kids? Now let us see the use of conjunction or. The conjunction or is used to join words and sentences in order to show choice. जब हमें choice बतानी होती है तब हम or का यूज करते हैं. For example, we like to dance or play games. We like to play in the gallery or in the garden. तो हमने 3 चीजें देखी, एक तो and, or and but. Understood? जिसमें से and का यूज हम रिलेटेड आइडियाज को ज्वाइन करने के लिए करते हैं, but का यूज हम अपोजिट आइडियाज को ज्वाइन करने के लिए करते हैं और का यूज हम शो चॉइस यानी चॉइस बताने के लिए करते हैं. ओपन पेज नंबर 104, चैप्टर नंबर 26, conjunction. As we had learned earlier also that a conjunction is a word used to connect clauses or sentences or to coordinate words in the same clause. Now let us read the sentences. 2 similar ideas. We use and. For 2 similar ideas we use and. Mike has a pet rabbit. Mike has a pet squirrel. If we want to join these 2 sentences, what we can write? Yes, we can use the conjunction and the sentence will become like this. Mike has a pet rabbit and a pet squirrel. Now for 2 opposite ideas. Alan fell down. He did not get hurt. For 2 opposite ideas we use but. Alan fell down but he did not get hurt. Let us see the next one. 2 options. Yes, dear kids, for 2 options we use or for 2 choices we use or. Do you want tea? or do you want coffee? We can say this sentence like this way. Do you want tea or coffee? Now let us see what the book tells us. The word and, but, and, or help join words or group of words to each other. They are called joining words, or they are also called conjunction. Now let us try to do the exercise portion. Come to the exercise portion. Take out your pencil. Underline the correct conjunction to complete the sentence. Is she a doctor or a nurse? Very good. Please underline or. Mrs. Grace has a daughter and a son. Very good. Please underline and. Does Mrs. Grace have a son or a daughter? If we are asking question or if we have two choices, we use or we have two options, we use or. Does Mrs. Grace have a son or a daughter? Now let us see the fourth one. I fell off my bicycle and hurt my leg. I fell off my bicycle and hurt my leg. The dog is not very big, but it's quite strong. My birthday is today, but the party is tomorrow. If we want to join two opposite ideas or two opposite sentence, we use but. If we want to join two similar ideas, we use and. And if we want to join two choice or two options, we write the joining word or. Now come to the next page, page number 105. Because. Now read these sentences. I did not go to school. I was not feeling well. These two sentences can be joined and written as I did not go to school because I was not feeling well. The word because is a conjunction. We use because to give a reason. Understood, dear kids? We use because to give a reason. Now let us try to match column A with column B. Match the sentence in column A to its reason in column B. Then write the complete sentences below. See, one has been done for us. I am tired because I did not sleep last night. Let us try to do the second one. I got wet because I did not have an umbrella. Please join the second one to the last one. Then come to the C one. The baby was happy because we took him to the park. Very good. The room is messy because I did not clean it. He scored well in the exams because he studied very hard. Now we have to write these sentences like this. Come on, let's write it down. I got wet because I did not have an umbrella. Then the next one is the baby was happy because we took him to the park. Then come to the next one. The room is messy because I did not clean it. He scored well in the exams because he studied very hard. Dear kids, जिस भी सेंटेंस को हमने ज्वाइन किया है हमें वो दोनों सेंटेंसेस को एक साथ यहाँ पे लिखना है, जैसा कि एग्जाम्पल में दिया है. I am tired because I did not sleep last night. The same way we had followed the example and written all the sentences together. Now let's turn the page and let's do the exercise of page number 106. See, in page number 106 there is a table. Remember, it's a conversation of boy and girl. How was your visit to the animal farm? Girl: it was great. I saw goats and sheep. I saw a horse too. Now boy is saying, was the horse black or white? Girl: it was brown. If we are saying options, if we want to say for an option, we write or. If we want to if we want to join the sentences with two similar ideas, we use and. And if we want to join two opposite sentences, we use but. And because is used to give reasons. Very good, dear kids. So let's read the next one. Boy: did you see ducks and hens too? Girl: I saw duck but no hens. I could not see them because they were hiding. Very good. Now come to question number 3. Fill in the blanks with the correct conjunction. Use and but for the first one. Let's try to do it. This quiz is fun and easy. He is a good actor, but he isn't famous. Her name is Myra and she is my neighbor. A train is late, but we will still arrive on time. Now let us try to do the next one. Use or because. I thanked them because they helped me. मैंने उनको थैंक यू बोला बिकॉज उन्होंने मेरी हेल्प की. Do you want to watch a movie or go for shopping? Here we are giving two options to choice. Then I am going out to play because I have finished studying. Very good, little learners. Then the last one. Does Pam want to paint or does she want to play? Now come to fourth one. Join each pair of sentences using the conjunction mentioned in brackets. See, ब्रैकेट में कंजक्शन ऑलरेडी दिए हुए हैं. हमें क्या करना है, दोनों सेंटेंसेस के बीच में वो कंजक्शन को रखकर सेंटेंस को बनाना है. आई लाइक फनी मूवीज बट आई डू नॉट लाइक स्कैरी मूवीज. वेरी गुड, लिटिल लर्नर्स. Now come to page number 107. Page number 107. She was late. Her car broke down. We have to join this two sentences by using the conjunction because. She was late because her car broke down. Now come to the next one. He must reach by 9 a.m. He will miss the meeting. We have to use these two sentences by using or conjunction. So let's try to do it. He must reach by 9 a.m. or he will miss that meeting. Let's do the next one. Fruits taste sweet. They are good for health. Fruit tastes sweet and they are good for health. It is Saturday. I have to go to school. It is Saturday, but I have to go to school. We have joined this two sentences by using conjunction but. I bought a pack of biscuit. I was hungry. We have to join this two sentences by using because. I bought a pack of biscuit because I was hungry. Now let's do the last exercise. Write a reason for each of this thing. Use your imagination and follow the example. Dear kids, अगर ये एक्सरसाइज में आपको अपने ओन वर्ड्स में सेंटेंस लिखना है तो आप लिख सकते हैं दिस इज जस्ट एन एग्जाम्पल. I did not go to school because I hurt my leg. I was late because I missed the bus. I am happy because I score well. The dog is barking because it is hungry. Or you can say because it saw a stranger. ये भी लिख सकते हो आप. The teacher is angry because the students did not complete the homework. The man is in jail because he stole a watch. Or you can write because he is a criminal. Likewise, by using your imagination, you can do question number 5. So dear kids, this is how we had completed our PA2 syllabus. Chapter number 26, conjunction. So what are the chapters coming in your PA2 syllabus? I already explained you in my online classes. See dear kids, these are the chapters which are going to come in your syllabus. Chapter number 18, 19, 20, 21 and then 25 and 26. And this 22, 23 and 24 will be coming in your TE2 along with 27, 28, 29 and 30. So 18, 19, 20, 21 and 25, 26 are your PA2 syllabus. Understood dear kids? That's all for today. Bye. Take care. Thank you and namaskar.